If you're looking for delicious, high-protein meals to lose weight, these garlic herb chicken rice balls are incredibly flavorful, only 480 calories, and so easy to make. Get your boneless chicken thighs, add garlic paste, salt, black pepper, mixed herbs, parsley, paprika, chili flakes, and olive oil. Mix till you lose patience, then cook the chicken on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes on each side till golden brown and juicy like this. Set the chicken aside, add chopped garlic, red onion, and bell peppers. Cook for 5 minutes, then add this extra seasoning. Mix well, add your cooked rice, then mix till the color changes. Add fresh parsley. Now look at how fluffy and delicious that rice looks. Finally, slice up your chicken thighs into delicious cubes, serve with the rice, and your high-protein meals are ready to enjoy for the week. The most delicious high-protein Korean barbecue chicken rice balls. Only 485 calories, incredibly flavorful, so easy to make, and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Get your boneless chicken thighs, add black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, gochujang, sriracha, sesame seeds, and soy sauce. Mix till you lose patience, then thinly slice your cucumbers just like this. Add salt, fresh garlic, gochujang, squeeze of honey, rice vinegar, sesame seeds, red pepper flakes, and soy sauce. Mix till well combined, then store this in a container and refrigerate to last for the entire week. Next, lay down your chicken thighs on a sheet pan, then oven bake or air fry on the settings listed on screen till golden brown and juicy just like this. Slice up your chicken into delicious cubes, then all that's left to do is serve with the rice, the cucumber salad, and your high protein meal is ready to enjoy. The tastiest high protein garlic butter chicken and creamy potatoes. Only 550 calories, packed with flavor, so easy and perfect to meal prep for the week ahead. Slice your chicken breast into cubes, season with salt, parsley, chili flakes, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then slice and dice your uncooked potatoes into small cubes just like this. Add the same seasoning as the chicken with optional olive oil. Mix well, then oven bake or air fry on the settings listed on screen till golden and crispy. Next, cook the chicken on medium-high heat for 6 to 8 minutes, then lower the heat, add more butter, garlic, and parsley. Mix till well coated, then set the chicken aside. Then add light evaporated milk with garlic and herb cream cheese. Stir till it thickens, then drop your crispy potatoes. Now look at how creamy and indulgent that looks. Finally, your delicious high-protein meal is ready to serve and enjoy.